bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
As you walk down the memory lane and see a scene so beautiful, the southernmost tip of India, almost. And as you walk through these beaches, you are filled with awe and inspiration and joy. And especially if you're a city dweller with a very busy and hectic life, then nothing can be more beautiful, more profound, more impacting than this. Your entire memories from childhood, your dreams, your aspirations, your joy, all merge in the soul and heart of nature. Mother India blesses you. And see the foliage, see this wonderful trees, and you feel that you are lost in the midst of nature. Nature in all her pristine beauty at the end of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands is a place worth visiting. And probably Swami Vivekananda, when he went to that Vivekananda rock, probably he had the feeling of that vastness, and where he talked about Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. And there he said, Trunantu Vishwamritasya putraha ayadhamani divyani tastu vedhametam mahantam aditya varnam shuklam tamushapura. So this journey coming to this wonderful island makes me reminisce, makes me a child going to the shore of the eternal creation. Just see the vastness. You feel that you are going to mingle into that southernmost part, and where you are a speck in this gigantic scheme of creation. I feel humble, I feel joyous, and I invite you to come to this wonderful island and fulfill all your desires. This is unbelievable. This is a beautiful place. As the sea kisses this wonderful pristine shore, and the sun god, traces down inside that beautiful hillock, my mind is filled with joy unspeakable. With me is Suman, my brother. I hope this would be a magical afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. And the beautiful beach over here, as the water kisses this wonderful, beautiful. What a kind of sand is this? We are probably at the southernmost, almost the southern tip of India, and 2020 brings in a great promise for us.
Meant to be in the great outdoor, forever free.
People talk about Mauritius, people talk about Seychelles, but believe me, this is Andaman and this is India. You don't need to go to Seychelles. You can come over here and have a blast. What a magnificent magnitude, a vastness. You can see the blue turquoise water. You can see the greenery, and you can get absolutely lost. If you're on a honeymoon trip, believe me, this is the destination. If you want to spend your holidays far away from the din and bustle of the city, and just simply waft away, lose yourself in the vastness and the wildness. This is the place, this is Andaman. Come with us. We'll take you to the paradise on earth. Believe me, what a beautiful place is this. You can see the music, the feet tapping dance. And also you can have is a celebration of life.
Meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Andaman and Nicobar Islands is beautiful sea, water greenery, and the air is pure. This is at the end of the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. Unbelievable. If you want to come over here, at the moment you come in, you see the vastness, you see the beauty, you see the sun-baked beach. It's a pure and pristine. You see those wonderfully created images by nature, and then you lose yourself. It's a North Bay Island where you can do activities like snorkeling. We'll be doing snorkeling and we'll be going live definitely. But more than that, this is something amazing where words failing. The vastness, the depth, and obviously the bliss and solitude. Escaping from the city life, this is a bliss. This is indeed a paradise. You don't need to go to these pristine and beautiful beaches as encapsulated, talked about in different movie videos. But come to Andaman, come to North Bay, and you can see the purity, the bliss. And here I am, this morning. What a magnificent spectacle. Just look at it. Just look at the color of the water. And these are the boats which will be taking you deep into the ocean. So be with me, your friend Rajiv, signing off for now, going for snorkeling. Thank you. So the dream destination, the paradise continues. We're going for snorkeling now. As promised, this is your friend Rajiv. And believe me, just look at the sky. It's got a water and the sunshine. We'll go down and we'll watch the beautiful fishes, colorful fishes. We have promised you to take down to history. And obviously it's a paradise, it's a heaven on earth. Unbelievable. The water is so pristine, so crystal. And I believe that this is a magical experience. So come with us. We'll take you to Andaman and Nicobar Island. And this is a very pristine beach. Water is unbelievable. Obviously it's plastic free. And I hope this will be a remarkable experience. So be with us. We'll take you underwater.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So this is Havelock Island, our destination, and we are in a wonderful cruise, as you can see. It's a wonderful cruise. Most importantly, the pristine waters are here. It's an AC cabin, But as you move, there's a lot of agog activity. We had a snorkeling experience yesterday. I don't know what is in store. So as I have promised you that we'll be taking you down the history. If you are a honeymoon couple, you can come down here. If you are an old person, you never grow old anyway. And obviously, most important part of it is if you love nature. This is something incredible. This is unbelievable. And nature at its pristine best. As I told you yesterday, you don't need to go to Mauritius or Seychelles. This is paradise on earth. This is your friend Rajiv signing off for now, taking you to Havelock Island on this wonderful, magical cruise. Thank you.
Great outdoors, forever
So we had a wonderful cruise today. We're talking about Seychelles and Maldives to go for a destination, but we're in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. After that wonderful cruise through those turquoise, beautiful, magical waves, we have landed in a place, and as we took a car ride through lush greenery and foliage, we have just come down here. See the majestic trees, history, I don't know how long they have existed. Man and nature coming together. As if William Wordsworth would have said, I bask in the glory of nature. This is Havelock Island, and you must come over here. Whoever you are, whatever you are, a city dweller, ensconced in WhatsApp, ensconced in Facebook, will have an absolute liberty. Believe me, you don't have a network here. You don't need it. You are connected to nature. See the foliage, see the trees, unbelievable. This is mind-boggling. And you feel with reverence and awe, as if as the sun comes over here, Ehi Surya Shahasrang Shuteja Rasha Jagatapate, and you feel humble. You are most welcome to come to this exotic destination. As I said, this is paradise. Come with us. We will take you. We'll make your day so beautiful. So as we carry on our journey to the beach, the pristine beach, we'll definitely feel absolutely delighted.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Can you feel the sand, the wind? And can you hear the roar of the ocean? For no reason, this is Radhanagar beach. Well, you can understand this has been declared the cleanest beach, one of the cleanest beach in the world. And believe me, this is not Mauritius, this is not Seychelles, this is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. As you see the vast expanse of the blue water, the cascading waves lashing the seashore. You need to come over here. It's not an expensive destination, not at all. You can come here. You can have your honeymoon spent over here. As a young couple, you can see the solitude and the seclusion here. If you're a dreamer, if you're one who wants to be united with nature, see the foliage, the old trees, and just look at the distance, the color of the sea. Your mind walks and floats into heaven. This is heaven indeed, a paradise on earth. And as I promised you since this morning, taking this tour from Havelock, a part of the Havelock Islands, this is unbelievable. So experience this unbelievable music, the sound, the light, the foliage. And you are lost in the great wilderness. Nothing more to say but to take you down this wonderful journey, a journey through nature. The Radhanagar beach and my tryst with nature continues. This is unbelievable. This is magical. As you can see, the foliage, the leaves slowly falling down on this white sand, the air coming in, and they are slowly wafting away. And then the turn, there's a bend. And just see the color of the water, it's unbelievable. And as you see the water, and as you walk this sand, you are taken back to your childhood. And see the kind of foliage, the biodiversity. These are, I don't exactly know what trees are this, but these are the flowers. I have never seen in my life. So if you're a botanist, if you're interested in biodiversity, you're a student of biology, then you can come here as a researcher. And if you're a newlywed couple, there's a lot of solitude. And if you are in the Middle Ages, where your relationship has been strained with your wife, believe me, come to this destination, it will not be into your pocket. Walk hand in hand as you have walked so many years. And what happens is magic, where you go back and your bond is cemented. All your toxins of the city life, the negativity, the anger, frustration, the depression, all melts away. You feel like melting away. Don't I look like Jack in that wonderful movie, The Titanic? I feel like I'm the king of myself. If you want to be a king of yourselves, come to Radhanagar Bridge.
Take a step back.
Just tarry for a moment. I can see a beautiful bird there on the tree top. Take a fresh breath and you don't need to speak at all. Melting away in the moments of nature reminds me of Wordsworth. Wordsworth once said, I mounted up the hill. The music in my heart I bore long after it was heard no more. You carry this memory, carry these images in your mind's eye. You go back to your city life and then magic happens. You're filled with happiness.
Take a step back.
So be with me, be with us to this wonderful destination.
Forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be.